Welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to apply some of the knowledge that we have learned so far in creating variables. And for that reason, we are going to create a variable known as first name, and we are going to assign it to a value of James. Then we are going to create another variable last name and assign it a value of board. We are also going to create another variable name, and for this variable it is going to consist of the first name and last name. We are basically trying to print out the names or the name of the person using the first name and the last name. So then we are going to print the output name. Print name. So we hit the learn button. So the program has learned successfully and it has generated for us the name of the person that we have created in this case. One thing to notice is that while printing the name of the person, I did not place the name in quotes, such as I did not do that, because if we were to do that, then the program will print the name, this one, simply it will learn this line of the code and generate name. So notice that when using variables in the print function, you should not place the variable in quotes. Otherwise, the program is going to generate something that you do not expect it to generate for you. So make sure that the name of the variable is not in quotes. Otherwise, you are not going to generate what you want to generate. Thank you, and please remember to like the video.